In this video, I will show you how to hide friends on Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, after you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. So after you tap on this menu, all you have to do now, tap on this settings icon, this gear icon. After you come to the settings, all you have to do now, scroll to down. As you can see now, under this audience and visibility, tap on this how people can find you and contact you, this one. So under this section, as you can see now, all you have to do now, you can see an option which says who can see your friends list on Facebook. Who can see your friends list, this option. So tap on this option before it. It says public, this one, tap on this arrow. So as you can see now, my friends list are public, means anyone on Facebook or can be able now to see my friends list. So in order to hide it all you have to do now, tap on this last option. So if you choose this last option, nobody can be able now to see your friends list on Facebook. There's only me. But if you want only your friends to see your friends on list on Facebook, you can choose this second option. But for me, I want to just hide it all. So tap on this only me. So that's it guys on how to hide your friends list on Facebook. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.